Hello, Hulitanya, Camera Hashin. Let's sing our hello song. After 3, in, yeah, 3. Hello, Hulitanya, Camera Hashin. Hello, Hulitanya, Camera Hashin. Ay, Camera Hashin. Hello, Shona, hello, Bookbug, Camera Hashin. Ay, Camera Hashin. Ham je nog eens geweldig glad aan je. I hope you are great today. Hello, Shaw and Gaelic again. Here's our story for today. Koha Shaw. Who is this? It's about 2 pussycats who go out at night. Let's see who they meet. Shaw Pishak. She Coco and Tana Mahora. Here's a pussycat. Coco is her name. Hai ruach agus has sulan uanya eintje. She's ginger and she's got green eyes. In eiche gai Coco amach a chluich. One night Coco went out to play. Colery a carrot Thomas with her friend Thomas. Chunig iad sulen va graniak am falloch. They saw some eyes. A hedgehog, Graniak, was hiding. Heard na pishakan. Ko ha shaw. The pussycat said, "Who is this?" Ko ha shaw. Who is this? En Noorsen chunikiat sulenile. Then they saw some more eyes, another pair of eyes. That's shinnach im falloch. A fox was hiding. Heard na pishakan. Ko ha shaw. Who is this? Who is this that's hiding? En Noorsen chunikat sulanile. Then they saw some more eyes, another pair of eyes. Heard na pishakan. Ko ha shaw. The pussycat said, "Who is this? I wonder who this is." Can you noch? There's a wee rabbit down there coming out of his hole. Chunig na pishakan calioch eich. The pussycat saw an owl a calioch eich. Charoi am falloch, she wasn't hiding. Shin calioch eich heard na pishakan. That's an owl, said the pussycats. And what do you think the calioch eich, the owl said to them? Where's the calioch eich? Ko ha shaw. Who is this? She was wondering who was out playing at night, because it's usually just her who stays out all night. Ko ha shaw. Who is this? Nachroshin Koma. Wasn't that really lovely? A really nice story about Coco and her friend going out to play at night and who they meet. Hashin dollar shining ish, we're going to sing a song now, and it's called Gaelic on the bus. The wheels on the bus. And I think you will all know this song, and I'd like you to join in with me. So, ha Gaelic on the bus, cat, 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 ha Gaelic on the bus, cat, 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 faden va, So that's the wheels, Gaelic, on the bus are going round and round all day long. Now, do you know what a dittan is? What do you think that is? Yes, it's the horn on the bus, and it goes beep, beep, beep all day long. Ha dittan a vestal, beep, 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 beep. Ha dittan a vestal, beep, 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 fatten la. So, the illa hacking in the bus. What else do we have on the bus? Clack, clack, clack. The bell. Ha glacker the vestal, ding-a-ling-a-ling, ding-a-ling-a-ling, ding-a-ling-a-ling. Ha glacker the vestal, ding-a-ling-a-ling, fatten la. Yes. Wipers. Shepherd. Ha shepherdin the vestal, swish, 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 swish. Ha shepherdin the vestal, swish, 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 fatten la. And what opens and closes? A door. The doris. A door. A maxisjach. Han doris a door. A maxisjach. Fatten la. Ha, doris a vestal, a maxisjach. A maxisjach. A maxisjach. Ha, doris a vestal, a maxisjach. Fatten la. And what about the people on the bus? They go up and down all day long. Han den ger vestal, söses skies, söses skies, söses skies. Han den ger vestal, söses skies, fatten la. Agus ríist, ha Gaelicin vestal, car, 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 car. Ha Gaelicin vestal, car, 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 fatten la. Fashion man nach ro. But do you not think that we can make the bus go a little bit faster? What do you think? Ha Gaelicin vestal, car, 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 car. Ha Gaelicin vestal, car, 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 fatten la. Agus ríist. And again. Ha Gaelicin vestal, car, 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 car. Ha Gaelicin vestal, car, 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 fatten la. Yay, gleba! Gleba. Nisha. The Gaelic for star is Runach. And the Gaelic for little star is Runach Bheag. So, what song do you think we're going to sing now? How it yashed. Twinkle, twinkle, Runach Bheag. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Right, let's all join in with this one. Okay. It's J3 after 3. And yeah, 3. Twinkle, twinkle, Runach Bheag, sulka velu hinen log, suesos kjonen sulku ard, maren taimen ounsen ar. Twinkle, twinkle, Runach Bheag, sulka velu hinen log. Oh, nach Bria, isn't that lovely? Let's all do it again. It's J3 and yeah, 3. Twinkle, twinkle, Runach Bheag, sulka velu hinen log, suesos kjonen sulku hard, maren taimen ounsen ar. Twinkle, twinkle, Runach Bheag, sulka velu hinen log. Well, Bookbug and I had a great time today. Vashin choma. We had such a great time. It was so good. Ach, we have to go now. So can you sing the goodbye song with us? Till we see you the next time. After 3. Yeah, 3. Cheery holadanya, he shin sheverisht. Cheery holadanya, he shin sheverisht. Ai, he shin sheverisht. Cheery Shona, Bookbug, he shin sheverisht. Ai, he shin sheverisht. Cheery and Asta.
Met de woelentonnen zet de goede zet de voik. Met de woelentonnen zet de voik voik. Met de woelentonnen zet de goede zet de voik. Met de woelentonnen zet de voik voik. Get de dingen ze kost, get de witte kocht. Get de dingen ze kost, get je niet de boos. Get de dingen ze kost, get de witte kocht. Get de dingen ze kost, get je niet de boos. Met de woelentonnen zet de goede zet de voik. Met de woelentonnen zet de voik voik. Met de woelentonnen zet de goede zet de voik. Met de woelentonnen zet de voik voik. Ligarito, posso mexer de para a grande pirin. Posso ligarito, posso mexer de para a grande pirin. Metaleta woelentonnen zet de voik, zet de voik. Metaleta woelentonnen zet de voik voik. Metaleta woelentonnen zet de voik, zet de voik. Metaleta woelentonnen zet de voik voik.